Good day everyone. Uh, Nandito tayo ngayon kasi uh, tatakel natin yung Activity 3 sa Highway and Railroad Engineering. Teacher natin dyan si Engineer Dayahan Senior. Uh, unang topic natin is yung forecasting future flows. So, uh, ang inapatakal sa atin doon is yung basic principle sa traffic demand analysis. Uh, Sabi doon, if transport planner daw ay gusto niyang magpagawa or mag-modify ng highway, ay kailangan niyang i-justify yung proposal niya sa pamamagitan ng pag-formulate ng future forecast sa traffic demand doon sa ipapagawa niya or i-improve niya na highway. Lalo na sa mga critical links sa interconnections dun sa highway or roads na ipapagawa. Lalo na daw pag bago yung agawing roadway. Yung data na manggagaling dun sa future forecast ay maaaring makatulong sa pag-evaluate ng madaming bagay. Like example is yung thickness ng pavement na gawin. Tapos, makakatulong din siya sa pag-decide kung anong geometric design ang appropriate dun sa roadway. Iba pa is yung standard number of lanes, standard width, and other. So, basically, future forecast is the prediction dun sa demand dun sa agawing highway project or dun sa modify. And that prediction needs a unit of measurement. What is that unit of measurement? Ang tawag dun ay trip. And it involves the movement from a single origin to another destination. Merong parameters na ina-utilize dun sa detail ng nature and extent dun nung trip na yon. And those are the classifications of roads in the neighboring countries of the Philippines. Another is classifications of roads in the Philippines by DPWH. Number 1 is national primary. These roads directly connects major cities of at least around 100,000 population. Cities within metropolitan areas are not covered by this criteria. Number 2 is national secondary. Directly connects cities to national primary roads except in metropolitan areas. Directly connects major ports and ferry terminals to national primary roads. Directly connects major airports to national primary road. Directly connects tourist service centers to national primary roads or others. Directly connects cities not included in the category of major cities. Directly connects provincial capitals within the same region. Directly connects major national government infrastructure to national primary roads. Roads or other national secondary roads. Example nito ay dito sa amin sa Balanacan, yung kalsada kasi dito galing sa port papunta sa Mugpog Town proper. Ang tawag dito is National Road. So, yun is under ng National Secondary Road. And number 3 is National Tertiary, which is other existing roads under DPWH which perform a local function. So, madami niyan dito sa atin. Provincial roads or local roads connect cities and municipalities without traversing national roads. It connects national roads to barangay roads through rural areas, connects to major provincial government infrastructures. Municipal and city roads or local roads, roads within the poblacion, roads that connect to provincial and national roads, roads that provide inter-barangay connections to major municipal and city infrastructure without provincial roads. So, dun pala madami tayo nun dito sa mga town proper ng mga municipalities natin. Barangay roads or local roads, other public roads officially turned over within the barangay and not covered by the above definitions. Ito ay yung mga kalsada sa mga barangay LGU na, yung nasa kanila na mismo yung parang pangangalaga. Expressways. Highways with limited access, normally with interchanges, may include facilities for levying tolls for passage in an open or closed system. Wala tayo niyan dito sa Marinduque. And bypasses are roads or highways that avoid a build-up area, town or city proper, to let through traffic flow without interference from local traffic, reduce congestion, and improve road safety where a toll for passage is levied in an open or closed system. Another is road patterns. When a road is constructed in patterns like rectangular, radial, hexagonal, etc., for the proper management of traffic and also to interconnect the branch roads with main road, then it is called road pattern. Rectangular or block pattern. In this pattern, the whole area is divided into rectangular blocks. Streets or branch roads intersect with each other at a right angle. The main road always passes through the center and it should be wide enough. Branch roads may be narrow as compared to main roads, and the main road should be provided by a direct approach that outside the city. So, ito yung itsura niya. And advantages. The rectangular block can be further fractioned into smaller rectangles that may be used for the construction of buildings placed back to back having roads on their front. Period. It is widely adapted city roads. Madami naman yan. Lalong-lalo na dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Most commonly, lahat ng munisipyo merong ganyan dito sa Marinduque. Construction and maintenance ay madali lang daw, sabi. Disadvantages, it is not convenient because roads are perpendicular to each other. This increases the rate of accidents due to poor visibility at a perpendicular junction. Next pattern is radial or star and block pattern. It is a combination of star and block pattern. The entire area is divided into a radial network of roads radiating from the center outwardly with block pattern network of roads in between the radial main streets. Yan yung itsura niya. So, advantages. Less risky compared to the rectangular pattern. It reduces the level of congestion at the primary bottleneck location. If one railroad is blocked, then another can be used as an alternative. Disadvantages. Lack of safety appurtenances like real transactions, crash attenuators, and post support bases. It is only effective when two lanes ramp traffic does not have to merge at downstream end of the ramp. Radial or star and circular pattern. It is a pattern in which the main road, radial roads, radiates from the central point and are connected with concentric roads or ring roads that are also radiating outwardly. Ito yung itsura niya. Then, advantages. It is safe as compared to the above patterns because vehicles travel in the same direction. Roundabout presentation in this pattern improves the efficiency of traffic flow. This also reduces fuel consumption and emission of vehicles. Using a circular pattern in place of traffic signals reduces the possibility of rear-end crashes. Disadvantages. Providing good curve during the implementation of this pattern is quite challenging. It affects the driving ability. Next is radial or star and grid pattern. This pattern is formed by combination of star and grid pattern. As in another an original network of road radiates from the center outwardly. Then the main radial streets are interconnected by providing a grid pattern. Yun yung itsura niya. And advantages, it increases the efficiency of land usage and unit density. It improves the traffic flow in both directions utilizing Savannah's circular structure. Advantages: it provides high safety to vehicle traffic with a high proportion of three-way intersections. It reduces the cut-through traffic. Disadvantages: splitter islands should be extended far enough. High construction costs because of the need for extra traffic signal, road markings, and lightings. Another is the hexagonal pattern. In this, the entire area is divided into hexagonal patterns. Three roads meet the build-up area boundary by the sides of the hexagons at every corner of the hexagons, which can be further divided into suitable sizes. Ganyan yung pinakang itsura. Last is minimum travel pattern. In this, the city center is connected with suburban centers and neighbor centers with the shortest roads. To make road short, road alignment is made straight. The main principle of road pattern is to reduce the time and distance that a vehicle takes to reach the destination place. It also focuses on the interconnection of branch roads. It increases the response time of normal vehicles as well as emergency vehicles like ambulance, fire engine, etc. to reach the destination place. Road pattern also plays a vital role in management of traffic but is neglected by most of our countries. So, yun yung road patterns. The question is, are there any manifestations that they are being used in the highway development here in the Philippines or here in Marinduque? First, yung unang-una rectangular pattern is gamit na gamit dito sa Pilipinas and dito din sa Marinduque. Lahat ng bayan may makita kang ganon, lalo na sa mga town proper. Next is radial pattern. Meron some instances sa crossing pero hindi ganon kadami compared sa rectangular pattern. Circular pattern, in some instances sa nationwide gumagamit sila. Dito sa Marinduque hindi ko alam. Grid pattern, hindi pa rin siya ginagamit dito sa Pilipinas. Hexagonal pattern, ganun din. Hindi din siya masyadong patok dito. and minimum travel pattern. Of course, if magko-commute tayo or magta-travel tayo, ang gusto natin is yung shortest time, di ba? So, merong implementation niyan dito sa Pilipinas